Welcome to the powerful world of AI on your phone, fully offline. No internet, no subscriptions, and no sign-up required. Just AI on demand. Why run AI locally? There's no cloud processing, meaning your data never leaves your device. This ensures better privacy and works anywhere, even in airplane mode. Plus, there are no monthly fees or accounts. Step 1. Install Google AI Edge Gallery. Download the app from the App Store for iPhone or the Google Play Store for Android. Once installed, open the app to begin the setup. Step 2. Open AI Chat. Navigate to the AI Chat section inside the app. This is your gateway to running local AI models directly on your device, with no account setup needed. Step 3. Download an AI model. Select a model from the list and download it to your device. For example, Gemma 4e2b is approximately 2.5 gigabytes. Remember, larger models offer better reasoning quality, while smaller models provide faster response speed. Wait for the full download before proceeding. Step 4. Turn on thinking mode. Tap the settings icon in the top right corner and enable thinking mode. This feature unlocks step-by-step reasoning, making responses more detailed, transparent, and genuinely useful. Step 5. Start chatting. The AI runs entirely on your phone with no server connection required. Use it for brainstorming, writing help, coding questions, learning new topics, and productivity tasks. Step 6. Use it completely offline. No internet connection is needed, as everything processes locally on your device. Your prompts never leave your phone. This is ideal for travel, remote areas, or private work. Know the limitations. This AI is powerful, but has caveats. Chat history is not saved between sessions. Closing a conversation deletes it permanently. Think of it as a temporary AI workspace, not a persistent chatbot. Compare the old way of cloud AI, which sends data to servers, requires internet, and has monthly costs and privacy trade-offs, with the new way of on-device AI. On-device AI runs locally, is fully private, free, and works anywhere. AI in your pocket means no strings attached. Running AI locally once sounded impossible. Now you can carry a powerful AI assistant everywhere, completely offline, private, and free. Your next steps. Download Google AI Edge Gallery today. Pick a model like Gemma 4e2b. Enable thinking mode for richer answers and try it offline. It's private, free, and powerful, right on your phone. If you enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe for more content.